Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Hope everybody's doing well. Today we are making up some mini crispy chocolate chip cookies. Now these are great for Christmas. They're great for Thanksgiving, for your little dessert tables. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Everything you need for these will be in the description box. And if you're new to the channel, I welcome you. Please hit that like and subscribe button and share. It helps my channel out and I truly appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get started. In my bowl here I have my brown sugar, my white granulated sugar, and a stick of butter, and my oil. These are some little crispy cookies. I like to throw them in a little glass of milk and eat them with a spoon, some real cold milk, just for snacking. And they make little great gifts for, like, if you're one of those ones that like to bake a lot, give them away as little gifts. That's a great idea with these cookies because they're so pretty and so tiny. So I'm going to go ahead and cream this up for a couple of minutes. Okay, I have that all creamed up. Now we're going to get in our vanilla extract, and I have 1 egg and 1 egg white. And I'll get that mixed up. Okay, I got that all mixed up. Make sure your eggs are at room temp. They just mix in better for you. Now here in my other bowl, I have my baking soda, my baking powder, and my salt. And in here, I have my all-purpose flour and my cornstarch. And just add that right in with it. And we're just going to get this mixed in. And then we're going to get it mixed into our wet mix over there that we just mixed. And we're going to get this dough chilled because that prevents your cookies from spreading, where they stay, pretty well mounded instead of spreading all out on the cookie sheet or the baking sheet. Okay, we're going to get that mixed into our wet. Okay. We've got our dry over here pretty much mixed up. So this goes in. You don't got to dump a little in, stir, dump a little in, stir, but I do not beat my cookie dough. I do it by hand. Now if you got a big stand mixer you want to use, do it slowly. I think my bowl may have been a little bit damp or something there. It doesn't want to come out of there. Okay. Now I'm just going to get this, fold it in. These sure are some good cookies, y'all. If you like a crispy. You hear a lot of people talking about, some good, soft chocolate chip cookies. A lot of people like them crispy. And if you do, these are for you. Just until everything's just about mixed in. Now, you can do the regular chocolate chips, or you can do the mini chocolate chips. Or you could do a mix of them if you have them both on hand, and I did. So I have regular semi-sweet, and I have the mini semi-sweet. Those go in. And I'll just get that all mixed up. Okie dokie. I got this all mixed up. As you can see there, it'll be slightly sticky, but you could still work with it with a light hand. If you don't want to wait, but your cookies are going to spread more. They're going to be thin. So chill your dough. Chill your dough. And it gives time for that vanilla flavor to come, work its way throughout that dough and the brown sugar. And I'll probably chill mine maybe a half hour. And it's normally, unless you got some, it's easier rolling as well. But if you want to do it this way, you could just flour your hands. And if you got room in your refrigerator, you can make the little balls and they'll chill faster that way. And put the baking sheets in the refrigerator with the dough balls for a good half hour before you bake them. But I'm just going to leave it like this, and I'll usually work it, from the top where it's chilled, and then I'll put the rest of it in the refrigerator while the others are baking. So in the refrigerator it goes. Okay, I got my cookie dough chilled, and I'll just scrape from the top where it's chilled. And I'm using a little half teaspoon size, just kind of mounded. I already got some started there. Now if you want to go for it with a teaspoon, you can. And then just roll them into little balls. Place them maybe an inch apart. And get you a couple of baking sheets. This is time consuming, but if you have little ones around, they would love to help with making these. So I'm going to continue doing this. Get your oven preheated. Mine is ready already, so I'm going to get these in. Preheat your oven to 375. Okay, friends, there's the cookies. They are all done. I think I got like 132 or 136 cookies. It just depends on how big you make them. What I did too and I did bake these at 375. I'm not sure if I told y'all. And what I did was bake the first batch, and I rolled up the rest of them and just put them on a plate because my baking sheets were too big for the refrigerator. So I just made the rest of the little balls, put them on a plate, kept them in the refrigerator while the cookies were baking. What else was it I wanted to tell y'all? Oh, ovens vary, so they'll take anywhere between 13 to 18 minutes, just until they're light golden brown. I know there was something I wanted to say, but I guess I said it all. But they're nice and they're crispy if you like a crispy cookie. Now I'm having mine with a cup of milk, and this is how I like to eat mine. Just an idea. We're watching Christmas movies right now, actually. Just drop a few of those cookies in there. Looks like I'm eating a bowl of cereal, doesn't it? Mmm. Mmm. They're crunchy. They're so good. I like them with the bigger chocolate chips because you get that big bite of that chocolate chip cookie. Let them sit there and set in that milk for a little bit. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Taking a drink of my milk, nice and cold. I didn't have any ice. I like ice in my milk. But anyway, there they are. Little crispy cookies. And you have plenty here. Like, for Christmas time, make up little gift boxes. Put you whatever you want in it. You know, a dozen of cookies in each little box, maybe, if you don't have a whole lot of people to give them out to. They make, little, like, when's the last time I done that? I don't even remember. That's what I used to do all the time. I used to buy those gift boxes, put some pretty paper in there, and do like fudge and chocolate covered pretzels and different kinds of cookies and little cute little gifts you can give out, baked goods, homemade baked goods. People always love that, right? But anyway, just bake them. I mean, it depends on how big you make the cookies. Like these are pretty size, mounded half teaspoon size. And mine would bake one batch. I think the first batch took like 16 minutes. The next, because the oven just sits there and gets hotter and hotter as, I'm not opening that door as much. And the second batch, I think, took like 14 minutes. So just keep an eye on them till they're golden brown. And as they set, they get nice and crispy. And you can get a head start on these and freeze them. Bake them and freeze them. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like I said, please like, subscribe, and share. It does help support my channel tremendously, and I truly appreciate it. And until next time, as I always say, love one another, take care of one another, and definitely eat well. And I love y'all, and we will see y'all next time. Enjoy the cookies. Get the kids in there with you. Bye-bye.